Alright, that was close. That was a pretty good run, though. Let's see how the run went. Alright. I like Chef. That Chef lasts a pretty long time, usually. You can usually get a couple areas in. That boss, the Kanan's got a lot of crap going on. A lot of fast projectiles. That heart thing really helps too. Oh, that sun tower? Yeah. Alright. I think this one went pretty well, in my opinion. Pretty good progress, I think, overall. Towards the next game. Alright. Yep. Okay. There are a couple close spots in the library here. Kind of forgot though. This one was a little longer than I usually do. This area is so annoying. There's a lot of stuff on the walls, all the projectiles. But Chef is pretty good with the projectiles though. Just kind of reflect them back. I think Chef is one of my favorites because of that. Because you can like reflect the projectiles. Alright. I think pretty decent overall. Got a little bit more XP here. That's going up quick. Oh, I finally saw what the Chef looks like because I had the black heart the whole time. Something else with the black heart. If you go into the void levels, you can't even see where you really are because it's just the heart on a black background. But even so, it's not that hard to dodge all this crap because you can just kind of spam and you don't really get hit by that. But you don't really get hit by that much. I gotta rank up. All right. It's going up. This is pretty rapid. Should I skip it? I don't know if I should skip it. Let's see. Let's see how far this goes. My first Kanan guy was with the electric loot jester. I mean bard. You got jester on the brain. Just bounce. I didn't have to deal with all this floor crap. And you can just do the scream if he has projectile. That's another rank up. You don't really have that many great opportunities to use the heal, which isn't really that effective if you have a lot of health. Ah, it seems to have stopped. There we go. Alright, overall, pretty decent, I think. Ah, okay, well, cool.